last night my youngest child had a horrible nosebleed. Seriously, it was like a crime scene in there. Check this out. And I was kind of surprised to learn how many people don't know this trick. Just gonna pour a little bit of peroxide on the blood. Let it work for about 20 to 30 seconds. Rinse out the spot. And if that spot didn't totally come out, just do it again. You can get a bottle of peroxide like this at any grocery store or drugstore for about $1. It's definitely worth keeping a bottle of this under your sink in case of emergencies. And ladies, you know what I'm talking about. The sooner you can do this after the stain actually occurs, the better off you're going to be. Once it starts to dry, it's a lot harder to get out. Once you've gotten as much out with the peroxide as you can spray whatever's left on the stain with some spray and wash or Shout or whatever kind of laundry stain remover you might have around. OxyClean might be good too. Wait about 20-30 minutes and then wash it. If the fabric happens to be white, you can spray it with some bleach. However, be extremely careful with bleach because bleach bleaches everything it comes in contact with. Case in point. Still kind of crying about that one a little bit. Also, if you're going to spray it with bleach, you're going to want to wash it right away. Don't just spray it and then throw it in the laundry and wait a week until laundry day because bleach will actually eat through the fabric. PSA to all the ladies and girls out there, it's a good idea even as an adult to have a waterproof mattress cover as well as additional pillow covers below your pillowcase for just such an occasion. Really don't want to get